Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best EDC pocket knives that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a tactical option, a lightweight daily carry, or something versatile for outdoor adventures, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Gerber Gear STL Folding Pocket Knife. This knife is the epitome of simplicity and portability, making it a perfect choice for those who prioritize minimalism. The 2.5-inch drop-point blade is crafted from stainless steel, offering a plain edge for clean, precise cuts. At just 1.5 ounces, it's one of the lightest knives on the market, and its slim profile ensures it fits effortlessly into your pocket or pack. The design is sleek and no-nonsense, with fully machined stainless steel handles that provide a sturdy grip despite the knife's compact size. The half-arc grooves on the handle add a touch of ergonomics, giving your thumb and index finger a secure hold. While it's small, it doesn't skimp on safety, thanks to its frame-locking mechanism that prevents accidental closures. However, the knife size may be a limitation for heavy-duty tasks, as it's better suited for light, everyday use like opening packages or slicing an apple. For its price and utility, the Gerber STL is a solid choice for those who want a featherweight EDC knife. It's not designed to be a tactical powerhouse, but it excels in portability and simplicity. If you're after a no-frills option that's easy to carry and reliable for basic tasks, the Gerber STL is worth considering. On the downside, the small blade length might leave some users wanting more versatility. But it's a great entry-level option for EDC enthusiasts. At number 4, we have the SOG Twitch 2, a compact yet well-rounded folding knife designed for portability and versatility. The 2.65-inch AUS 8 stainless steel blade is sharp and durable, making it a great tool for everyday tasks and outdoor adventures. The hard anodized aluminum handle is both lightweight and tough, ensuring that the knife can withstand regular use without adding unnecessary bulk. One of the standout features of the Twitch 2 is its SOG-assisted technology, SAT, which allows for quick, one-handed blade deployment using the flipper mechanism. This makes it an excellent choice for users who value speed and convenience. The knife's small size, measuring just 6.2 inches overall, makes it discreet and easy to carry, whether you're heading to the office, the trail, or the campground. However, some users may find the blade length limiting for more demanding tasks, and the aluminum handle, while sturdy, may lack the premium feel of higher-end materials. The SOG Twitch 2 offers great value for those looking for an EDC knife that's compact, reliable, and easy to use. It's ideal for light to moderate tasks, from cutting rope to preparing food during a camping trip. The assisted opening mechanism and durable blade make it a standout in its category. But its smaller size and limited blade length may not suit those who need a more robust knife for heavy-duty applications. Taking the number 3 spot is the Kershaw Brawler, a tactical EDC knife that delivers excellent performance at an affordable price. The 3-inch modified Tanto blade is crafted from 8CR13 Movi steel, known for its balance of strength, edge retention, and resharpening ease. The blade's black oxide coating not only enhances its durability, but also helps to hide scratches, making it a great option for regular use in rugged conditions. The Brawler's design is ergonomic, with a glass-filled nylon handle that features contoured curves for a comfortable grip. The assisted opening mechanism, paired with the flipper, allows for smooth and fast one-handed deployment. Safety is ensured with the liner lock system, which keeps the blade securely in place during use. Additionally, the 4-position pocket clip offers versatile carry options, catering to both right and left-handed users. At 3.9 ounces, the Brawler strikes a good balance between heft and portability. This knife shines as a multi-purpose tool, excelling in tasks that require precision and piercing power, such as cutting through tough materials or slicing rope. However, the Tanto blade shape may not be ideal for tasks that require a curved edge, like detailed carving. Overall, the Kershaw Brawler is a fantastic option for those who want a reliable, tactical EDC knife without breaking the bank. Its durability, ease of use, and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for everyday and tactical applications alike. At number 2, we have the Spyderco Tenacious, a knife that's built for endurance and versatility. With its 3.3-inch 8cr13 MOV stainless steel blade, this knife offers exceptional edge retention and durability. The blade features a full flat grind, making it an excellent choice for tasks that require precision cutting as well as heavy-duty slicing. The fiberglass reinforced nylon FRN handle is lightweight yet extremely durable, with Spyderco's signature bidirectional texture pattern for a secure, non-slip grip. The Tenacious is equipped with a reliable liner lock mechanism, ensuring the blade stays securely in place during use. One of its standout features is the 4-position pocket clip, which allows for tip-up or tip-down carry on either side, making it highly customizable for both left and right-handed users. At 3.68 ounces, it's lightweight enough for everyday carry, but robust enough for outdoor and tactical use. The smooth one-handed opening, facilitated by the signature Spyderco thumb hole, adds to its overall user-friendly design. This knife is ideal for those who need a versatile EDC tool that can handle a variety of tasks, from camping and hiking to more tactical applications. The only minor drawback is its price point, which may be slightly higher than some competitors. But the quality and performance justify the investment. If you're looking for a knife that combines durability, functionality, and ergonomic design, the Spyderco Tenacious is a solid choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife. This knife has earned its place as a fan favorite, with over 50,000 positive reviews online and a 4.6-star customer rating. The 3.1-inch blade is made from 7cr17 MOV high-carbon stainless steel, with a black oxide finish, offering excellent durability and corrosion resistance. The aluminum handle is both lightweight and robust, making it a reliable choice for tactical and everyday use. What sets the Extreme Ops apart is its combination of features designed for practicality and ease of use. The knife features a finger flipper and ambidextrous thumb knobs for quick and easy access, while the liner lock ensures the blade stays securely in place during operation. The addition of jimping and partial serrations makes it a versatile tool for a variety of cutting tasks, from slicing to sawing. At 3.5 ounces, it's light enough for everyday carry, and the integrated pocket clip makes it convenient to carry on the go. This knife is perfect for those who want a dependable, tactical-style pocket knife that doesn't compromise on build quality or functionality. Its rugged design and practical features make it suitable for everything from daily tasks to outdoor adventures. While it may not have the premium feel of higher-end models, the Extreme Ops offers unbeatable value for its price range. It's the ultimate all-rounder for EDC enthusiasts, and it rightfully deserves its place as our number 1 pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.